Welcome to the new episode in the MainWP Coach Series. In this episode, we will go over the Install Plugins and Themes pages. Install Plugins and Install Themes pages are almost identical, so we'll focus on the Install Plugins page in this video. Install Plugins page allows you to install individual or multiple plugins to any number of child sites. The plugins can be installed in two ways, from the WordPress.org repository or by uploading a zip file. When you open the install page, it will default to the WordPress.org repository. Here, you will see a list of the most popular plugins. To search for the plugin you wish to install, enter its name in the search box and press Enter. In the search results, select the Install Plugin Radio button, then, in the sidebar, select the child sites where you want to install the plugin. You can select sites individually or select them by tag or by client. There are two installation options. If you disable Activate after installation, the plugin will be installed but left in deactivated status. And if you disable Overwrite existing version, the plugin installation will not proceed if you already have that plugin installed on a child site. The other way to install plugins is by uploading a zip file. Simply click the button in the top right to switch. You can click the Upload Now button, which will open a file picker, or you can also drag and drop multiple plugins directly from your file explorer. The following steps are the same as when installing from WordPress.org. Pick the desired child sites, choose the installation options, and finally click the Complete Installation button. We hope you found this coach episode useful, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates from MainWP.